In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a simple house, simple three-dimensional house that looks like this right here. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay, here we go. We're going to start off with just a big square, draw it nice and big, and then we're going to refine it with the pen tool here, give it some dimensions. We're going to make this dimension here 15 feet, so 1, 5, apostrophe, enter. Okay, then grab the eraser tool, erase the excess over there. So that line right there is 15 feet. Then we're going to bring it back 9 feet. So 9 apostrophe enter and close it up like that. So there's our 9 by 15 feet house. And we will bring this up 9 feet. So 9 apostrophe enter. There's the 9-foot walls or ceilings. Okay. Then we're going to draw the front of the house. This I'm just going to do kind of a guesstimate, nothing crazy. So we'll start at the center, draw a line down like that, then duplicate it for the other side. So I'm going to highlight this, copy, paste, and set it out here, grab this corner, bring it back in, and snap it to the center. Then we'll erase the middle. Okay, now we've got a perfectly centered box right there. We'll grab the push-pull tool and bring it out 2 feet, 2 apostrophe enter. There we go. There's the front of it. Okay, so now we have the basic shape of the house without the roof. To start the roof, we're going to use this offset tool here. Click the roof and drag out. We want this eave of the roof to be 1 foot, so 1 apostrophe enter. Okay, so there we go. Now we can just start drawing the peaks. Use the pen tool. This will snap to the center of this line. We're going to bring it up to about right there, roughly 4 feet. I didn't measure it. Not a big deal. Then we're going to click down to that side and down to that side. Then for this side, we want to do the same thing, but because we've already drawn a vertical line, we can actually snap to it as easy as that, just highlighting, and it just knows. Super simple for that. Okay. Then we're going to erase these center lines because they're just going to be confusing if we leave them. Okay. Then we're going to connect all the peaks together. So we've got that one there. And to get a surface here, we're going to click the bottom there to the bottom there. So that gives us that. Then from here, this green line, which represents this X or Y dimension, not sure which it is, but we'll just drag it out, make sure it's green and not black. Green will be a straight line. So there we go. And then we're going to click right there where they met up and bring that down to there. And from here down to there. Then we will erase that. There we go. There's the roof. Pretty simple. Now we want to suck in the faces of these a little bit so that they look more like a roof. So we'll grab a pen here, just draw a rough line from there to there, then grab the push-pull, push it in till it snaps to this surface, like that, then grab the eraser and erase that. There you go, that looks pretty cool. That looks like a roof. Erase that, and there we go. Pretty easy, pretty cool looking. And there's your basic house. That looks like a Monopoly hotel. Look at that. Okay, let's go ahead and throw a guy in there. You go Window, Components, and we'll put this painter lady right there. Look at that. That's a pretty small house, actually. Once you put a person in there, I'm sure she's about 5'5" to 5'11", somewhere around there. So it's a tall, skinny house. Cool. There you go.